What if I told you there's a tiny habit you repeat every single day without even noticing that quietly reveals your true personality? Not the version you show to people, not the version you post online, but the real you. And here's the surprising part. Psychology suggests this habit can reveal more about you than most personality tests ever could. Because real personality doesn't show up when you're trying to impress someone. It shows up in small, unconscious moments. When you're not thinking, when you're just reacting. So here's the habit. How you respond when something small goes wrong. Think about your day. Your phone freezes, the internet slows down, someone interrupts you. You drop something, plans suddenly change, nothing major, just small inconveniences, but your reaction in that exact moment. That's where your personality speaks the loudest. You get irritated instantly. Do you stay calm without effort? Do you blame something or someone? Or do you adjust and move on quickly? Because in that split second, you're not performing, that there's no filtered no image to maintain, that it's just your raw, automatic response. And that response is shaped by your inner wiring, your mindset, your emotional patterns, your self-control. Psychology breaks this down into three powerful signals. First, emotional control, that if you stay calm during small disruptions, it shows your mind is stable and grounded. But if you react instantly with frustration, it means your emotions are leading and you're following. Second, ego sensitivity, that if small problems trigger you easily, it often means your mind sees them as personal threats, like something is ruining your control. But when your ego is strong and secure, you don't feel attacked by small things. You simply let them pass. Third, mental flexibility. Life is unpredictable. Things go wrong. Plans change. That if you can adjust quickly, it means your mind is flexible, adaptive. But if you resist, if you get stuck on how things should be, that resistance reveals rigidity, and rigidity creates stress. That one small habit, your reaction to minor problems, is actually a powerful reflection of who you are on the inside. Now here's the part most people miss. This isn't just something to observe, that it's something you can change.